You must have heard people say, you try this, you try 10-step routine, you try, 100 serums, and people might be suggesting you a lot of things, a lot of serums, a lot of skincare, a lot of this and that and everything, but nothing seems to work, nothing seems to change when it comes to skincare or self-care. So I think it's important for you to understand that you do not need 12 step skincare routine or elaborate skincare routines or use 1,000 products just to make it work. No, you just need to you know make a list of, or make sure that you know these things, know certain things, you take care of certain things so that everything else falls into place. So in this video today, I'm going to talk about 11 skincare secrets that has changed my life, and I'm sure it is going to help you as well. So let's start today's video. Okay, so the first skincare secret is drinking more water. So let me drink some water. I'm thirsty now. Okay, so make sure that you drink lots and lots of water. Have a bottle right beside you so that it reminds you to drink water every time. So make sure that you invest in a good water bottle and invest in your water. So water is going to solve a lot of problems for you when it comes to skin, when it comes to your body. So make sure that you drink at least 1 liter of water every single day, morning, evening, every time of the day. So make sure that you drink in good water. You can also, what you can do is you can include lemon water, or pudina onto it. You can use mint leaves as well, or maybe cucumber. You can have this diffused kind of look to your water. So make sure that you do all of these things. Drink more water. You can use detox water as well. So but investing in good quality bottles and drinking lots of water is very important for your skin and your body. So make sure that you do that. The second skincare secret that I want to highlight is maintaining a good diet. Okay, uh, make sure that you are investing in fruits, including a lot of fruits in your diet. And also, definitely there are times when you would like to go out and have food with your friends. It is fine, but make sure that you're not eating junk food every single day, because it is not healthy at all. Maybe you can do like a cheat day once in a week. That is totally fine. Cut sugar from your diet, only have good food, maintain good, it could be anything, but if it is home cooked, great. Avoid junk food, and include a lot of fruits in your diet, because fruits, vitamin C is very important. So you can include oranges, you can include pineapple, papaya, guava, blueberries, avocado. So these are the things that you can include in your diet. So to make sure that, see, it all starts from your diet. Your, if you want your skin to improve, if you want your body to improve, so make sure that you are taking care of things that are going inside your body, which is food. So that's why it is important for you to control your diet, have good, balanced diet, and automatically I can assure you that your skin is going to thank you for doing it. So avoid junk food, cut out sugar, cut out alcohol, smoking, and all of those things. Definitely your skin is going to thank you for it. So that is the second skincare secret that I want to give you. Now the third thing that I want to talk about is silk bonnet or silk pillowcase. So I use this silk bonnet. Okay, so this actually I ordered it from Nykaa. You can order the same from Nykaa or Amazon as well. So you can use it while sleeping. You just have to wear it on your hair, okay, before sleeping, or while you're sleeping at night. You just have to wear it and sleep. I mean, you just have to make braid your hair, or make it into a bun, and just put it on top of your head and sleep. Because um, or you can also use silk pillowcase as well, because it causes breakage and it hair starts um being brittle because you're using bad quality bed sheets or cotton bed sheets. So it's important for you to invest in silk bonnets or silk pillowcases. If you cannot invest in silk pillowcases, you can do silk bonnets. It's quite inexpensive, so definitely invest in one. It is going to help, it's going to make your hair feel healthier and much more smoother. So definitely invest in one. I'll definitely link it down below. You can purchase it on Nykaa or Amazon, whatever that you like. The fourth thing that I want to highlight here is doing regular exercise. It could be yoga or cardio, or high intensity workouts, or maybe strength training, anything that you like, or Pilates, whatever that you like. Make sure that you are doing some sort of physical movement, physical activity. So make sure that you are exercising, working out regularly, or and also doing some practices like meditation. So these are the things that is going to give you that glow. If you sweat, then a lot of toxins are released from your body, so it gives you that natural glow to your face. So I would highly recommend for you to take some time out and work out regularly. It could be 20 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day, or maybe 1 hour a day, whatever that you like. But make sure that you invest in this particular thing, workout or maybe meditation as well. So these are the things that would highly improve your skin and your overall mental health. Okay, the fifth skincare secret that I want to talk about is having a consistent day and night routine, and also wearing SPF every single day. So it wearing SPF is very important if you're going out. Even if you're indoors, I think it is very important for you to wear SPF every single day. Have a good skincare routine. It doesn't have to be elaborate. You do not have to do 12-step Korean skincare routine. No, nobody is asking you to do that. You just need 3 to 4 products that is going to work for you, and use it every single day, and it is going to help your skin a lot. So in the morning, maybe you can invest in a good face wash. Okay, a face wash, and then a moisturizer, followed by SPF. And then maybe if you are in if you go out, then you can wear your regular everyday makeup. You can do that as well. But then face wash, moisturizer, and SPF, these are the things that are very much important. If you like using serums, you can invest in vitamin C serums as well. They are quite good. But do not forget or skip SPF, because it is going to help you a lot, help you from the sun damage. So make sure that you have at least these three things in your routine, the day routine, the AM routine. So morning, this is what you can do, and at night, again, face wash. And then if you like to use any kind of actives, maybe a glycolic acid serum, or maybe if you or a toner, or if you like using tretinoin or a retinol, make sure that you use that, and then followed by a gentle moisturizer. Again, this is a very simple routine that I've told you. If you like to add more things, definitely you're free to do it. But then this is something that is very, very basic, and anybody can do it. You do not have to invest a lot of money onto it, but these are the things that you can invest, and your skin is going to thank you a lot for this. Make sure that you invest in good skincare. Makeup is, yes, makeup is important, but then skincare is something uh, that makes your skin look plumpier, healthy, and makeup just sits better when you have good skin. So make sure that you invest in your skin. So the sixth secret that I want to talk about is face massages. Definitely, you can get massages, facial massages, at beauty salons, or at or from the aestheticians. You can do that. You can get hydrofacials, or if you want some sort of a cleanup facial to be done, or fruit facial, you can definitely get it done. But if you do not have time, I think face massages, you can do it at home as well. You can use your fingers, you can use your knuckles and do some sort of more gentle massages using your hands. But otherwise you can also invest in a gua sha. This is nothing but gua sha, so you can use this, and you can just massage. You can watch a lot of YouTube tutorials. That's what I do. And you just have to take out some time, maybe 5 to 10 minutes a day in the morning, and you can just use a face oil, and you just have to do certain strokes onto your face. And this is going to help your skin, with the blood circulation and all of those things. So that's why it is important for you to invest in a nice gua sha, or maybe face massages if you like. So the seventh thing is definitely highly, highly, highly recommended, having a good nighttime sleep. Do not use phone until late night. Make sure that you are sleeping early, going to bed early, and getting 8 hours of sleep is very much important. 8 to 8 hours of sleep is minimum. It is very much required. Okay. There are a lot of things that happen during your sleep. So your cells, your body actually heals itself during sleep. So it is going to help you a lot with your skin as well. So make sure that you are investing in a good um, you're getting good 8 hours of sleep. So that is very important for your skin and your overall body. The eighth thing is clean your phone screens, which is very important. A lot of people, they do not follow this, but it is highly, highly, highly important for you to clean and sanitize your phone screens, because lot of germs, lot of bacteria sit on your phone screens. Okay, do not take your phones to your bathroom or to washrooms. It is not recommended. Make sure that you clean out every single day, because a lot of times what happens is you just take out your phone and you talk to people, and you don't realize that there are a lot of germs and bacteria sit on your mobile phone. So that's why it is important for you to clean it every single day with a tissue paper. So yeah, that is something that has helped me as well. So if you're at home, definitely you can use loudspeakers if you do not wish to use your phone like that, touch your skin or touch your face. But otherwise, if you're outside, make sure that you're cleaning your phone once after it is done, every now and then, so that the germs and bacteria are off of your screen. So that is important as well. So the ninth thing is change your towels and pillows every once a week, or mm, twice a week at least. So do not use the same towels and pillow covers every day. A lot of bacteria happens, so usually 2 times a week is sufficient. Every uh, third day of the week you can change it to a different thing, because a lot of germs are carried onto your body, your skin. And since you what I do is I sleep a lot on the sides of my face, so there are possibilities that there are high chances that I get acne all over my face because of that. So that's why changing your pillow covers and towels, using different towels every day is very much recommended. So make sure that you do that. Then next thing is stop touching your face. So many people, even I have done this in my 20s. I used to have a lot of acne on my face in my 20s. So I used to pick my acne, to be very honest. I used to pop them, and I used to touch my skin always, touch my face always. And that is the main reason that it used to aggravate the acne more. So make sure that you are not I know it is very tempting for you to touch your skin when you have a lot of acne, touch your face every now and then, but make sure that you avoid it, because you never know what your hands are carrying. You might be carrying a lot of germs and bacteria. So make sure that you're not touching your face, at least not after you have touched all sorts of things. Wash your hands, and maybe if you really want to touch, wash your hands first and then touch your face. So yeah, do not touch your face. I know it's sometimes it happens, you know, unintentionally, but yeah, just avoid doing it. So these are the things. So the next thing that I just want to tell you is, you do not need 1,000 different things. You can consult your dermatologist and get a good skincare routine, whichever is going to work for you, and use it consistently. That is what I have done. So my skin has improved a lot over the past 5 years now. Before that, I used to have a lot of acne on my skin. This is not how I used to look before. I used to have a lot of acne over here. So I just went to the dermatologist and they gave me a good, simple, basic routine, and that's what I've been following from a very long time now. And it definitely works for me. Not, I do not use anything else other than that. I do not have a 100-step routine, 10-step routine. No, I just have 2 or 3-step routine, nothing more than that. Very simple, very basic. That is the only thing I follow, and over the past years it has given me tremendous results, very, very good results. So that is what has worked for me. So make sure that you know that you do not have to have a lot of products in your vanity. Less is more. So you do not have to have 100 different products. So less is more. That is something that you have to always keep in mind when it comes to your skin, it comes to your self-care and skincare. So make sure that you're not investing a lot of money on different products. Invest money on something that is going to work for you and use it consistently. Definitely it is going to work out, and you're going to get a beautiful glowing skin just like mine. Okay, so yeah, I think these are the things, these are the 11 skincare secrets that I have learned over the years, and those are the same things that I wanted to let you know, guys, as well, so that you can follow the same. And yeah, we'll see you next in the video, and yeah, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Bye bye, take care. Just subscribe to my channel if you like such videos. Comment down below if you have any questions, any doubts. If you want to know my skincare routine, what are the things that I use, make sure that you comment down below, and maybe I'll make a video on that. And yeah, if you have any other topics that you want me to make a video on, definitely let me know in the comments. Chalo, bye bye, take care.